Greetings. In this lesson, tikuda kuevaluate my expressions containing SADs. We are going to kick off with an example. This is going to be our first example. Question yedu iri kuti simplify 3 the square root of 150 minus 5 the square root of 32 plus 4 the square root of 8. So what is going to be our step number 1? By step number 1, what we want to do is we want to express each SAD in its simplest form. So we are going to look at each individual SAD. We have 3 SADs in our expression: 3 the square root of 50, 5 the square root of 32, now 4 the square root of 8. We want to express these SADs in their simplest form. How do we do that? Saka panapa we have 3 the square root of 50 minus 5 the square root of 32 plus 4 the square root of 8. That is what we have. Tikatarisa panapa, we are going to see kuti we can express the square root of 50 into a simpler form, kana kuti a simpler SAD form. How do we do that? Tinongotora 3 panapa ndiri and watati the square root of 50. Instead of kunyora kuti 50, takuti 25 times 2. Why it at 25 times 2? Tadaro because this 25 is a perfect square. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. The square root of 25 is equal to 5. So because of that, 25 times 2 is befitting to replace 50. Nekuti iri kumita ma standards nema conditions nekuti ive simplified further when it comes to simplifying it into a simpler SAD form. Then we come here panapa. This is minus 5 and is the square root of what? Can we think of any two numbers, one of which should be a perfect square, which we multiply, replacing 32? Kuti tine two manamba, toda kureplace 32 nemanamba yawo tichima multiplier, asi one of manamba yawo should be what? A perfect square. Let us do some form of brainstorming. What about 9? So it's 9, 18, 27, 36. Saka 9 aibude. What about 4? 4 anopinda ere muna 32. So when we get to 5, it becomes 20. We go to 6, it becomes 24. We go to 7, it's 28. Then we go to 8. What is 8 times 4? 8, 16, 24, 32. Saka, instead of writing 32 panapa, we are going to say 4 times what? Times 8. Plus, then of course, the square root of 8 is simpler. It's just 4 times 2. Tada isoga. What then are we going to do? We are going to say, so this now is equal to, we have 3. Then simplifying this, we know could eventually chava times 5 the square root of 2. Bamsana pekuti the square root of 25 times 2. Let's simplify further according to what we have learned paper. Put 3 the square root of 25 times 2 inenge equal to 3 multiplying the square root of 25 times the square root of 2, which then becomes 3 multiplying 1/5 times the square root of 2. Inozongodzoka irichi 3 times 5 the square root of what? Of 2. So ndozvatangoita panapa, sort of jump step, but if you are not yet familiar with zvataita, I would encourage you to follow every step, but panapa tango jumpa because of familiarity. So tadai, so this is going to then what? Subtract. This is 5 times 2, the square root of 8, plus this is 4 times 2 again, the square root of 2. Saka 25 inoita yanyora iri 5 because that is the square root of 25. Panapa, instead of the square root of 4 tanyora 2, and panapa, instead of the square root of 4 tanyora futi chi 2. What is this going to be equal to? This is going to be equal to, tikati 3 times 5, that is 15. So 15 the square root of 2 minus 5 times 2, that is 10. 10 the square root of 8 plus then 4 times 2, that is 8 the square root of 2. Tiri panapa, before we do anything, we should cross check. Tinofanira kutarisa ma square roots edu kuti can we further simplify them. Saka the square root of 2 hatikwanise kuisimplify any further because of many reasons, supreme of which 2 is a prime number, and by prime number we mean kuti ingori nema factors 2 chete, 1 and itself. Saka we cannot have two numbers which multiply, one of those numbers being a perfect square inotipa 2. That is impossible. Saka this square root of 2 taita exonerate, kureva kuti taisimplify in its simplest form possible. We did the same panapa. What about panapa? The square root of 8, we can have a hint panapa, tanga tiinayo, and we simplified it. And we know that 4 times 2 is equal to 8, of which 4 is a perfect square. Saka we are going to further simplify. This is 15 the square root of 2 minus 10 multiplying what? 4 times 2 munom plus 8 the square root of 2. This is equal to 15 the square root of 2. It's minus 10 times 2 the square root of 2. And I can simplify this, the square root of 4 times 2 plus 8 the square root of 2. Then we come here, it's actually 15 the square root of 2 minus 20 the square root of 2 plus 8 the square root of 2. Can you see kuti now patava we have the square root of 2, the square root of 2, the square root of 2. It's actually a constant. So zvatinoita panapa kuti tibve pa this stage tichienda kuanswer, we are going to treat the square root of 2 as a constant. Tikati 15 the square root of 2 minus 20 the square root of 2, we are going to get minus 5 the square root of 2. Why at minus 5? It's 15 minus 20. We subtract and we take the sign of the bigger number. Saka 15 minus 20 ndi minus 5. The square root of 2 yongodzoka yakadaro. Zviri kuitika panapa zvakafanana chose nekuti deya yanga yakatiyo 15x minus 20x plus 8x. 15x minus 20x yangodzoka iri chi minus 5x plus chi 8x. Ndo zvangoitika. Ndosaka ndati we treat the square root of 2 as a constant. So tasolva zvekutanga panapa, this is going to be plus chi 8 the square root of 2. Then tiri panapa zvatinofanirwa kuita ndezvekuti we rearrange kuti titange nepositive. Saka masigns emanumbers atinawo ari 2, 5 the square root of 2 na 8 the square root of 2. This is a negative, minus 5 the square root of 2. That is a positive, 8 the square root of 2. Saka chatanga tanyora 8 the square root of 2 toti minus chi 5 the square root of 2. Kana tatanga kunyora a positive patiri kudhila netuma numbers, it becomes easier kuti 8 the square root of 2 minus 5 the square root of 2 tinowana 3 the square root of 2. This is quite easy as compared to the situation where tanga tati minus 5 the square root of 2 plus 8 the square root of 2. Kuzoziva kuti we have to subtract normally, then take the sign of the bigger number. It's a hassle. Even panapa 15 the square root of 2 minus 20 the square root of 2. It makes sense in our brains kuti our answer should be negative. Asi deno yanga yauya yakanyorwa so kuti minus 20 the square root of 2 plus 15 the square root of 2. It does not click promptly kuti our answer should be a negative. So basically this is what we do to get to our answer. If we are to reiterate anything, panapa introduce nyaya steps. The first step, we expressed each side in its simplest form. So ndo zvataramba tichiita until tasvika papi, until tasvika panapa. Then we can talk of a step number 2, where we treat SAD as constant. So we treated the SAD as a constant until we got our final answer of 3 the square root of 2. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Let us proceed to our next question. We have our second example panapa. Example yedu iri kuti simplify 5 the square root of 7 times 2 the square root of 3 over the square root of 45 times the square root of 21. What we have to do always kana chidila nemasads is to simplify them to their lowest possible form, kana kuti simplify to their simplest form. Saka tikatarisa numerator pedu, we have 5 the square root of 7 times 2 the square root of 3. We cannot simplify any further. Why is it so? Because 7 and 3 are prime numbers. Atina manamba mairi multiplier achitipa 7 na 3 respectively, one of which manamba yao iri a perfect square. Saka taona kuti pamsoro pe our fraction we cannot simplify any further. What then we are going to do is we look at the denominator. We have the square root of 45. We also have the square root of 21. Saka zvepasi zvinoshandika nazvo. So here we are going to have 5 the square root of 7 times 2 the square root of 3 over, instead of 45 it becomes what? 9 times 5. 9 is a perfect square. 30 times, instead of 21 it becomes what? Let us do a little brainstorming here. Do we have any two numbers which we multiply to give us 21, of which one of them is a perfect square? Hatina. And the reason why it is sina is simply because the factors of 21, we are going to have 1, we are going to have 7, and we are going to have, actually we have 1, we are also going to have 3, 7, and 21. Tisingaverengi 1, 3 inoi a prime number, 7 a prime number foot. So here we only have, instead of writing the square root of 21, tichanyora the square root of 3 times 7. Kunyangwe zvino ichi zvisingasimplify into any other form. Kubatsira kwazvinoita ndekwekuti tatarisa panumerator pedu tiri the square root of 7 and the square root of 3. Saka it's wiser to simplify 21 as 3 times 7 because zviri kumecha nhu zviri pachi pamsoro. So ndo zvataitira inoi the square root of 21. Then the square root of 45, we are just simplifying it. So what is this going to be equal to? This is equal to, we say 5 the square root of 7 times 2 the square root of 3 over, here we have 3 the square root of 5 times with the square root of 3 times the square root of 7, like this. Tadaro manje, the square root of 3 inogona kunocheka kunoku kana tine matimes atinawo. Then the square root of 7 inogona kunocheka panapa. Kurevei, kureva kuti we now have a situation where it's 5 times 2 and the 10 over, since zvachekana 3 the square root of 5. But hatigoni kusiya answer yedu yakadai so. Why tisingagoni kuisa yakadaro? We have to rationalize. Hatitenderwi mumutemo wemasvomu kuti tisiye our denominator ine a irrational number. Saka rationalizing, as we did it in our previous classes, is just multiplying both numerator and denominator by the square root of 5 in this case. Saka panapa we are going to have what? We are going to have 10 the square root of 5 over 3 multiplying what? 5. Because the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is equal to 5. We proved in our previous lesson why it is so. Takatarisa ma laws of indices. Then panapa pachanetsi because 5 into 5 is 1, 5 into 10 is 2. Correct, our final answer is going to be 2 the square root of 5 over 3. Tengeta topedza. What is the trick? What is the most important thing pa question yedu? The most important thing panapa is this ability to simplify the surds. Then of course we should not forget panapa kuti we have to do what? To rationalize. So basically that is what we are expected to do panapa. And I hope kuti you are understanding how we are going about these questions. If you have a question, the comments anaguti, you contact me directly. Having done this, we have actually concluded this part of the lesson. What is left of us is to give you an exercise. So stay tuned for an exercise. In this lesson, we are going to do exercise 20G. Remember, our book is the New General Mathematics, book 3. And you are going to find this exercise on page 182. So it's page 182. You are going to do number 1, number 5, number 7, number 10, number 14, then add 2 of your own. So all in all, you are going to do 7 questions. Thank you for your attendance and take care. But before we part ways, of course, this is an invite to those who want to join the Math Hub, those who want assistance in ordinary level mathematics, be it tutoring, exams, extra lessons. Get to me on this number. Actually, there are 2 numbers. They are both on WhatsApp. It's +263 71 046 9150. But if you so need, you can get me again on this number, +27 7 6 1 7 3 7 1 1 6. So this is a South African number, also on WhatsApp. We provide our lessons primarily in Shona, and we focus primarily on ZIMSEC, Zimbabwe Schools Examination Councils, but we can branch out. So if you are doing Cambridge O-level maths, if you are doing matric O-level maths, even advanced level pure mathematics and other subjects, you can still reach out. We can instruct in Shona. We also can instruct in English so that our students may be comfortable. Thank you.